Hello, Hannah here from Graypants, bringing you a little bit of content today about our Scraplight series. So let's get started. So the Scraplights are really the cornerstone item of the Graypants line. This is the fixture that got it all started back in the day. The Scraplights range in size and scale quite a bit. The smallest Scraplight measures 8 inches in diameter. The largest Scraplight measures 86, so we like to play with scale quite a bit. The Scraplights get their name appropriately. The main material here is cardboard. All the cardboard is created from post-consumer recycled material. We work with a local cardboard manufacturer in Seattle. They deliver the sheets to our back door, and then we cut and glue everything by hand and send it back out the door to fill our orders. We have a couple of different finish options for the Scraplights. The first is the natural finish, which you see here. This is that brown color. The natural cardboard is laser cut, so you have a little bit of a burn effect on the edge. And our second finish option is the white Scraplight. This material is also post-consumer recycled material, and these are knife cut, so there's no burn effect on these ones. And then the third finish option that we offer is the blonde finish. This is kind of a hybrid between the natural and the white. If you were to take our white material and laser cut it, you get this kind of sandy blonde color that is somewhere in between the natural and the white. This is not an official finish option that we provide. I like to call this our secret menu item. If you know to ask for it, we can do it. And it's just a nice third option to have in your back pocket. If you don't fully love the white or the natural, this is kind of a nice compromise between those two finish options. So the Scraplights are really divided between the Classic series and the Frame series. The Classic series is really our fancy way of saying that it is a single socket fixture. So within the Classic series, you have a lot of different shapes and sizes to choose from. Everything that's available in the natural is also available in the white. Here you have our discs, you have our hives and our nests, the drop, the Aussie. And what you'll also notice is that oftentimes these fixtures will be hung in clusters, anywhere from 2 to 3 to 14. The clustering is really effective for the Scraplights, especially because we offer a couple of different size options within each shape. So we see these clusters used effectively pretty often. And then our Frame series. So here's where we really start to play with scale a little bit more. So in the Frame series, this is the Sun collection. We have the Sun 32, the Sun 48, and the Arcturus there in the middle. That one measures 64 inches in diameter. That is the second largest fixture that we produce. This is our Dome 36, an Ohio 24, and a Drum 48, the Sun 32 in white, and the Drum 18. And then our Pebble series. So this is the most recent addition to the Scraplight line. What we've done is we've gone around to various beaches in Seattle and collected a pebble. The pebble has then served as the cast for the shape of the shade, and the name of the beach where the pebble was found and its geographic location are inscribed on the bottom of each shade. Kind of a nice nod to Seattle as our home base. So those are the Scraplights in a nutshell. I do want to point out that the Graypants website is a really great place for resources. If you go especially to the resource tab, you'll be directed to our Dropbox, and the Dropbox will take you to spec sheets, IES files, installation instructions, additional images, recent projects, all that kind of stuff. So if you were to go to products and then you select Scraplights, you have those images, instructions, and spec sheets available to you. So thank you for listening today. If you have any questions, please let us know and stay safe.